bring over the right thing. So this is just Blackboard right here. And down on the left side here, there is class resources. And if I click on this, there's a link here to download 2D blocks. 2D means two-dimensional blocks. And click on that. And there's a Google Drive that's been set up, and there are a whole bunch of blocks here: accessories, office, kitchen, furniture, symbols, bathrooms, et cetera, et cetera. And even still later on, I'm gonna add and give you more of these blocks. So what we want to do is we want to download this to our computer or to a jump drive. So I'll just click on download all. And what Google Drive is doing is it's zipping up all of these drawings for us. And each of these blocks are actually a drawing. It's an AutoCAD drawing file, separate AutoCAD drawing file. That in essence are what blocks are. So it's preparing the download.
Sorry, Paul, how did you get to download all? Missed that.
Right here. There's a button
Oh.
right here, download all.
Mine doesn't show that, but okay.
It doesn't?
No.
Well, enlarge your window. Maybe it's not.
It's enlarged, but I'll keep looking. Let's see.
If you go under 2D blocks, there's a drop down, and then you can just download, and then you'll download all of them.
Does yours look like this, perhaps?
No, the screen looked the same before, but it just doesn't say download all. So I'll see what I did here.
It's
Go ahead,
not one thing, it's another.
I know.
So this is taking a while. There's a lot of blocks. There's probably over 100 blocks in total. So I'm just going to give this a minute here. The file has been zipped. And so there it is. I'm going to look for a USB folder. And I'm just going to take this 2D blocks zip file, and I'm just going to save it right here. So let me open that. So I don't need this. We'll just delete that. So now I have, for whatever reason, mine came in, and it's I guess that's the date right there of the download. So there is the zip file. And if I want to extract that zip file, if you're working on a Mac, I think all you need to do is double click on it. Mac is a lot nicer in that respect than PCs. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click whoever, I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to click extract all. I'll click on it, and it's asking me what folder I want to, destination folder, which is, it's just fine right there. I'll click extract. So there's 110 folder of files here that it's extracting. And there, it opened it up. So let me just, so it created a folder right here. And I already have a 2D blocks folder, but if I were going to do this, I would click in here and rename it, you know, my 2D. All right, I'm just calling it my 2D block, so it's different than 2D blocks there. And then I no longer need the zip file. I could delete that if I want. So when I click in here, I have all my blocks in place.